Everyone, today I'll be explaining for loop in C programming. Following are the contents which I'll be explaining. So I'll be explaining on what is for loop with an example program. So what is for loop? A for loop is a more efficient loop structure in C programming. The syntax of the for loop is given as follows. So here the initialization statement is executed only once. Then the test expression is evaluated. If the test expression is evaluated to false, the for loop is terminated. However, if the test expression is evaluated to true, statements inside the body of for loop are executed and the update expression is updated. Again, the test expression is evaluated. This process goes on until the test expression is false. When the test expression is false, the loop terminates. So, going on to example program which will explain how to use for loop. So here this program explains how to calculate the sum of first and natural numbers. So once we execute this program, we get the output as follows. It asks to enter a positive integer. So here the value entered by the user is stored in the variable num. Suppose the user entered the value as 10. So here the count is initialized to 1 and the test expression is evaluated. Since the test expression count is less than equals to 10, that is 1 less than or equals to 10 is true, the body of for loop is executed and the value of sum will equal to 1. Then the update statement plus plus count is executed and the count will equal to 2. Again the test expression is evaluated. Since 2 is also less than 10, the test expression is evaluated to true and the body of for loop is executed. Now the sum will equal 3. This process goes on and the sum is calculated until the count reaches 11. When the count is 11, the test expression is evaluated to 0, that is false, and the loop terminates. Then the value of sum is printed on the screen. So this is about for loop in C programming. Thank you.